Tonight's edition of WWE SmackDown started off with Grayson Waller Effect, featuring none other than undisputed WWE Champion Cody Rhodes. The American Nightmare made his way down to the ring. Grayson Waller then began complaining about everything in WWE being about Cody Rhodes, including the Grayson Waller Effect. He then called Cody Rhodes selfish, and how Randy Orton and Kevin Owens have gotten beaten up because of him multiple times. Cody Rhodes then said that Kevin Owens has been fighting the bloodline way long before he arrived. Rhodes then said that Grayson Waller is using Austin Theory. Then Kevin Owens came out and said that everyone that he's betrayed in the past had it coming, with the exception of Kofi Kingston. Owens then made a request to SmackDown General Manager Nick Aldis, and a tag team match was set for the main event of the night. After that, it was time for a United States Championship match between LA Knight and Santos Escobar. As expected, in the end, LA Knight hit a BFT on Santos for the big win and retained the United States Championship. The Unholy Union then took on Jade Cargill, Naomi, and Bianca Belair in a six-woman tag team match. The hard fought battle ended with the babyfaces picking up a win. The winners Cargill, Naomi, and Belair. We then heard from the new bloodline led by Solo Sikoa. He said that Roman Reigns is done, and whoever from Cody Rhodes and Kevin Owens wins at Bash in Berlin, he will be next in line for a title shot. Solo Sikoa then told Jacob Fatu to step forward. He demanded that Jacob Fatu give him the WWE Tag Team Championship belt. He then told Fatu to give the belt to Tonga Loa and explained that Fatu can't be a tag team champion if he's going to be his enforcer. He then hugged Jacob Fatu. The Street Profits music hit and BFAB said no one cares about Solo Sikoa's personal bodyguard. The Bloodline then took on Street Profits in a WWE Tag Team Championship match. In the end, Solo distracted the referee, allowing Tonga Loa to deliver a flatliner to Dawkins for the win. The Bloodline after the match continued beating down the Street Profits, but DIY made the save. The Bloodline soon gained the upper hand and stood tall, holding up the one symbol. It was now time for the main event of the night, Cody Rhodes and Kevin Owens versus A-Town Down Under. A pop-up powerbomb from Kevin Owens in the end got the babyfaces the big win. Winners of the main event, Cody Rhodes and Kevin Owens. These two men will face off for the undisputed WWE Championship at Bash in Berlin. As for tonight's episode of SmackDown, let me know in the comments below, did you like it or not?